up everybody? We got this guy.
Too long.
At Go.
People want to see your face.
He has a name.
Grayson.
Go see his beautiful face.
My buddy Eddie.
Hello.
His Instagram name right there. I don't know what it is yet. Anyway, so a lot of things have been happening around here. First and foremost, we've been working on, I think we've dropped a couple things about, you know, we've been very fortunate that we stay very busy with the V10 platforms. However, as you guys know, there's tons of you guys that have normal, like other cars like Mercedes, Beamers, anything and everything.
Import, German.
And the cool thing with all these new cars is that they all are able to be tuned via the OEM ECU for, you know, if you want a little bit more torque, horsepower, if you want bangs and pops, if you want a, you know, speed limiter raise, etc., etc.
Or if you modify your car.
Right.
Take advantage.
Or if you modify your cars for, you know, off-road use purposes, then, you know, we could have something that could cater to the modifications. Now, granted, we get asked a lot about tuning, and we figured, you know, something we've been working on for what, 6 months?
Long time.
6 months is our new tuning division. It's called Sheepey Tuned. So what Sheepey Tuned essentially is, oh, as you guys will go to the website here, we offer something for probably everything. Now, you know, you guys are for I think the most common question is like, well, are you doing the tuning? Here's the thing. OEM ECU tuning versus standalone is two different animals. It's like comparing a diesel engine to the gas engine. We fortunately been in this industry for a long time, have made a lot of networking connections that I've been working with some of the best OEM ECU tuners from all over the world, depending on the platform. So realistically, what you're doing is you're buying something that is backed by us, something that we have ran, something that we try, something that we know works with our name, right? Kind of like a t-shirt, right? You buy a Sheepey shirt, yeah, you go get a shirt at the local mall, but it's a Sheepey shirt. Same thing applies to this. So we're gonna execute the beginning, going into this, throwing that out there and be very transparent about it. Because the key to our business is being transparent. So as you guys know, we show you guys everything that we do. So we're really excited for this. Grayson is the essentially general manager for that business. Grayson's a friend of mine for, you know, long period of time now, and Grayson's big into automotive, as you guys know. Many of you guys follow him, and wanted to get his hands in the automotive world. So we said, hey, you know, I don't have a lot of time in my day, so we worked on this together, and Grayson did all the website development, etc. And yeah, so it's really exciting because now, you know, instead of, you know, only being able to offer you guys, you know, for the guys that don't have these builds, you know, apparel and small stuff, we could actually offer you guys performance, you know, packages and items, right? And on top of that, as you know, a lot of these cars just get catbacks and tunes. We're also launching another form of business, Sheepey Unlimited, that essentially makes mass-produced catback systems for a handful of exotics in titanium. So be on the lookout for that. That's something that Ed and I have been working on as well. So realistically, what our brand is trying to do is just capture a bigger bowl versus just a small pool that we're on. And to do that, you know, one guy can't do it all. So you bring in like-minded people that could help you with that form of stuff and keep developing and moving forward. So Grayson's on the website right now.
So I mean, the Mercedes platform, obviously huge. You know, we have hundreds and hundreds of platforms going up here. So everything, you know, the European market, you're gonna see tons and tons of more makes than you would see with the standalone stuff. So that's what Alex is talking about when he's talking about expanding the reach and expanding the platforms, expanding who we can actually cater to. And the first crazy motherfucker, beep, to tune a Polaris Razor Turbo, I think we should comp that to them because they're out of their mind. Because I want to see that.
What's so crazy about that thing?
It's like a turbocharged. It weighs nothing. It's got a big motor in it. It's turbo.
Is it a Can-Am or?
It's a Polaris.
It's like a sand round.
You're gonna comp the first tune.
I want to see a Pops and Bangs Turbo Razor.
And you're gonna let them have the tune.
Let's do it.
There you go. Grayson's letting you have a tune. I'm not letting you have it. He is. So yeah, so take a look at our site. It's very user friendly. There's instructions. There's going to be tutorial videos of how to use our software. Depending on the car, it's going to be a different program and handheld device that is going to work for your car. And for whatever product that is, we will have tutorial videos on our website that you could see and walk you through it. And on top of that, if our website does not seem to answer your questions, by all means, feel free to shoot us an email. I could guarantee you we will respond within 12 hours to any email. 12 to 24 hours. Our strive is to make you a part of the team, make you feel welcome. As we all know, there's a lot of OEM tuning companies all over the world. So what's gonna separate us from them, you know, I'm not gonna say our stuff is better. What I can tell you is that you're gonna get a great product with great customer service and be a part of the team and, you know, continue to grow. So our website's pretty informative, but if there's something you miss, dude, shoot us an email, Grayson or Alex. We'll take care of you.
Yep.
Next, we're gonna go to West Coast Exotic Cars.
You have a little surprise for them.
We do.
Actually, it's kind of a big surprise.
It is a big surprise. You guys wanna go see? Let's roll. So, as many of you guys know, West Coast Exotic Cars has been a neighbor of ours, friends of ours throughout, I think, all of our purchases with exotics. So, the more and more we grow our business and the more cars we build, we find it very common these days for people to literally email us and ask us for turnkey cars.
People don't want to wait.
Nobody wants to wait. I mean, people don't want to wait, right? You don't want to wait? Grayson's about to buy. What are you buying today?
I'm not buying anything.
No.
Don't egg me on. So one of the things that Alex and I are going to be working on is having a car always, or multiple cars always in his showroom, where if a customer wants it, it's ready to go, turnkey, and having multiple cars available all the time. So that's kind of what we're going to touch base on, and hopefully that's something you guys will be interested in.
It's not, you know, we're going to start them off with Stage 2 Plus packages, which seems to be our most popular kit. You know, granted, if you want a set of rims, lowering, all that extra stuff, we can add it into. But, you know, right here, this door. Sheepey Motors is essentially going to just keep cars in inventory. So, anyways, this is our first Sheepey Motors car. It's
Vegas yellow.
Vegas yellow. We wanted to start with like something loud, you know, and this is definitely loud. Yeah. So, you know, one thing with the V10 platform that you guys gotta understand, well, everybody's stuck on miles. Right? These engines and transmissions are like, I hate to compare them to Civics, they f***ing last. My personal RA has 38,000 miles, and I beat the living piss out of that thing. So this one has 19,000 miles.
22,000 miles?
Yeah. And the weakest link is the clutches. So with that being said, we're gonna replace the clutch anyways, right? So with the Datsun 909 with steel plates. Look at this beauty. Been very well taken care of, very immaculate. The only thing we're gonna do is we're gonna swap that back tire. We're gonna put a 888 315 3020 on it just so it hooks, because with 1,000, 1,100 wheel horsepower, that tire is not gonna do anything. So this will be our first turnkey ready car. Slide in our DMs.
The interior is sick, and it's comfortable. It's so sick. I'm fucked. Yeah, buddy.
What do you guys think? That's loud, huh?
We got ketchup and mustard.
Grayson's trying to get that right now.
No.
Why not?
No.
Live a little.
Live a little.
Live a little.
Yo, you got the down payment?
No.
Where's it at?
Go where? Come on!
You're eating this with us.
Damn!
You guys are idiots.
You a little big.
You like Thai food?
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead.
Come on, sit down, Alex.
Johnny, I heard if you
I have
eat one of
Thai-
these,
Alright, if you win.
Come on, Johnny.
Nah, why Johnny?
You'll
Nah, Allie.
You'll run 2.2, 60 to 130.
My name's not Kevin from UGR, bro. I don't do that.
Hey, hold on.
The Russian
Hey, let me get a whiff. Hey, you know the Russian hacker? Yeah. Well, let me get a little bit.
It smells like feet, to be honest.
It's not even. It's black. It's black. That's how you know this thing.
It's not
is
even
super
that spicy, fool. Take a bite.
Hell no.
Hey, come on, help me out, help me out.
Chill,
help me out,
take that,
help me
take
out.
that. Chill.
Come on, help me out.
Hey.
Alright, so we're in the chip eating challenge.
Hey, come on.
Alright.
He already started, Let's go.
What was that?
Eat the whole thing.
It's not that bad.
Mom.
It's like a little spicier than my Thai plate.
What the?
Hey, wait, kind of tastes like spicy carne asada.
You're about to lose.
Like this one?
Just go for it.
Wait,
Whole
where?
thing.
Oh,
dude.
Woo! My boy Phineas!
Too boosted, baby. Hey. I heard it from
Wait, one time.
you. Your face is already turning red, my boy.
Yo!
Yeah, it's no joke, bro. Oh, when it goes down the throat, that's bad. Yeah. Oh, that's bad. Oh, yeah.
I'm sweating, bro.
Whoa!
Hey, come on, fool.
You.
That water makes spicier?
Yeah.
Where's the leche out then?
Oh my.
That little piece of my mouth is on fire right now.
We were on Who's the Dumbest One at the shop, and apparently these three. Look at this fool, look at this fool.
She's comparing me to my 6-year-old.
Maybe. Just a little bit.
King for the day.
For the moment,
King.
not the day.
For the moment, definitely not for the day. What's up, guys? We're back. I'm sure you guys saw the vlog from this weekend, right? That was cool. But back to the real world of responsibilities, bills, cars, customers, ordering parts, building cars, the whole nine. Anyways, we came into a good week. I wasn't here Friday, but the team definitely killed it. Just making some fuel lines and doing some stuff. I'm gonna rock my crown. But yeah, we're setting up Miguel's car. We're putting, you know, the guys, I don't know if you guys saw, but we have these radials. Say hi to TJ, you guys know that?
Secret stuff, can't show you guys.
So, these are Bellic 18-inch rims for the Huracan R8 platform. It's an 18-inch, so we could run a 345, 35, 18 tire, a lot more cushion. So the 888 that we run now works good, but this is like dead hook power. So we're gonna put them on Miguel's car, and these are the fronts, and we're gonna put them on his car too. Miguel is very actively driving his car, and since I don't have time to participate in any drag events at local tracks, Miguel is just going, we're gonna put him on his car and continue the development on this package on his car, since I don't have time. So we're gonna put those on his car. We ordered the tires for the fronts, it's 18 as well. So yeah, should be cool. We'll see how it goes. Do I really have to rock this? Come on, I need it for you guys. I kind of, do you guys, I was always kind of like the whole quick vlog thing, like everything that we do has been kind of educational and kind of show you what we do. But like I told you guys in the past, we really don't have time to, it kind of gets boring showing you the same. So do you guys down with the vlogs of just showing you what we do on a day-to-day basis? And comment below. If so, then we'll keep them going so we can still do these build series, these ones where Alonso edits them, where they're the normal ones, and then we have the ones that Alfredo does, which is just like cold heart and hold a camera. I actually wasn't too uncomfortable holding the camera, so I told Alonso to order me a camera, and I'll just start vlogging that we do, you know? If I gotta go do something, I'll vlog it and show you guys. You guys get to see some. If you guys want to see all that, then let me know. If not, then let me know. We won't do it. I hate that.
Happy birthday to you.
So embarrassing.
Happy birthday, dear Alex. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
¡Ey, que le muerda! ¡Muérdale! ¡Que le muerda! ¡Que le muerda! ¡Que le muerda! ¡Muérdale! ¡Ey! ¡Ey!
I don't know. I wasn't expecting anything. It's just the car is so V8 loud. It's like super gnarly. Sounds good.
Does it
Sounds
sound different?
Yes. Sounds much different. It's more like, not that it's like cammed, but it sounded like more just like throaty.
Got it.
Because the Magnifoot setup on there was pretty like, it's not nasty. It sounded pretty good. It sounded really good.
Cool.